A huge relief for Kaiser healthcare workers. A strike set for Monday has been averted. Kaiser and the Alliance of Healthcare Unions finally reached a deal early this morning. This follows 6 months of negotiations. News 8's Heather Hope has more on what workers are getting out of this new agreement.
Yes, Steve and Kirsten, it got extremely close with the strike just being days away. In fact, this Kaiser hospital at Claremont Mesa in Ruffin was the very site where healthcare workers were to build their strike signs. What they want in that tentative agreement includes better benefits and increased wages each year for the next 4 years.
We've done everything we could to be prepared for a strike.
A deal came down to the wire after 6 months of intense negotiations. Kaiser Permanente and the Alliance of Healthcare Unions finally reached a tentative agreement early Saturday morning on a 4-year contract for nearly 50,000 Kaiser healthcare employees and 22 local unions.
This is a huge day for workers to stand up and fight for what's right. It's not always about the dollars and cents. It's about the working conditions and the future of our jobs, our careers going forward.
UFCW Local 135 President Todd Walters represents pharmacy and laboratory workers. He says all the employee unions fought hard against a 1% pay increase and a 2-tier wage and benefit system that Kaiser proposed.
It would mean that new employees would have different benefits and a different wage structure.
Under the new agreement, there will be across-the-board guaranteed wage increases, no takeaways to their health or retirement benefits, new safe staffing and workload language, bonus plan for payouts, and opportunities for career growth.
Yes, they got wage increases, but they also got some benefit improvements. They maintained everything they kept.
In a statement, Kaiser Permanente says there were challenging negotiations, but this tentative agreement demonstrates the strength of our labor management partnership and the unique success it can achieve when we work together. The agreement avoided an employee strike that the unions committed to give $250,000 each week in strike benefits to support members.
These are frontline essential workers that risked their lives during the pandemic for us. When we gave our strike notifications to Kaiser, they realized that we were serious and they bargained with us. And all we're asking for is a fair deal.
In the coming days, a voting notice will go out to union members before the new contract will officially be approved.
Now, after the negotiated changes are signed off on in a memorandum of agreement, each union member will next have to vote on it. Heather Hope, News